Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have something truly exciting to discuss. Apple's long-awaited budget-friendly smartphone, the iPhone SE 4. This next-generation SE model is set to redefine what an affordable iPhone can be. And there are even rumors suggesting that Apple might rebrand it as the iPhone 16e. With major design overhauls, flagship-level performance, and modern features, this phone is expected to be one of the biggest updates in the SE lineup. So, what exactly can we expect from the iPhone SE 4? Let's dive into everything we know so far, from its design and display to its hardware, camera capabilities, battery life, and price. If you're considering upgrading to a new iPhone in 2025, you'll want to hear all the details about this device. Official announcement and release date. Apple's major event is set for February 19, 2025. When the company will officially unveil the iPhone SE 4 alongside other highly anticipated devices. Pre-orders are expected to start on February 21 at 5 a.m. Pacific Time, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, and 1 p.m. UK Time, with the official launch scheduled for February 28, 2025. If Apple follows its usual pattern, expect the device to be available across Apple stores, major carriers, and online retailers worldwide. Design and display. A huge upgrade. For years, fans have been asking for a major redesign of the iPhone SE series, and Apple has finally delivered. The iPhone SE 4 2025 will sport a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, a massive improvement from its predecessor's outdated LCD panel. Expect deep blacks, vibrant colors, and a higher contrast ratio, making it a perfect device for watching videos, gaming, and general usage. The new SE model is also expected to adopt Face ID, ditching the physical home button for an all-screen front, much like the iPhone 14. It will feature ceramic shield glass for enhanced durability and an aluminum frame to maintain a premium feel while keeping the price affordable. Leaked renders suggest the device will come in midnight black, starlight white, product red, and a new sky blue option. Performance and hardware. The power of A18. One of the biggest surprises of the iPhone SE 4 is its rumored Apple A18 chip. If true, this means the device will have flagship-level performance similar to the iPhone 16 series. With 8 GB of RAM, the SE 4 will handle multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications with ease, making it a powerhouse in the mid-range smartphone market. Apple's new A18 chip is expected to be built on a 3nm process, improving efficiency and battery life while providing AI-driven enhancements, optimized gaming performance, and faster neural engine processing. Whether you're into mobile gaming or just want a smooth, long-lasting smartphone experience, this phone is shaping up to be one of the best budget-friendly options in 2025. Camera system. Huge improvements for budget users. Photography enthusiasts will love the iPhone SE 4 because Apple is bringing a 48MP primary camera to the SE lineup. This major upgrade ensures high-resolution photos, improved night mode, and better smart HDR capabilities. The camera will also support deep fusion, photonic engine enhancements, and 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. For selfies and FaceTime calls, the 12MP front camera will include an SL3D sensor for improved depth effects and faster Face ID recognition. While Apple is sticking to a single-lens setup on the back, its computational photography features will allow for stunning shots that rival even higher-end models. Battery life, charging, and connectivity. Apple is finally moving the iPhone SE lineup to USB-C, bringing it in line with the flagship iPhone models. This means users can enjoy faster wired charging speeds and MagSafe compatibility. The battery life of the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to be significantly better than previous SE models, thanks to the A18 chip's improved power efficiency. While the exact battery capacity hasn't been disclosed, early reports suggest it will outperform the iPhone SE 3 by at least 20%. The device is also expected to have an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, making it a durable choice for those who want a long-lasting device. 5G connectivity will be standard, ensuring fast browsing, streaming, and gaming experiences. Software and AI features in iOS 18. The iPhone SE 4 2025 will ship with iOS 18 out of the box, bringing a host of AI-powered features and system optimizations. Some of the key iOS 18 additions include Siri AI improvements for better voice recognition and contextual replies, advanced privacy controls with enhanced app tracking protection, Live Text 2.0 allows users to extract text from videos in real time, More customization options for the home screen and lock screen widgets. Game mode optimization to ensure smoother performance in high-end mobile games. Apple is also expected to add AI-driven photo editing tools and on-device language translation, making the iPhone SE4 a smart choice for tech enthusiasts looking for an advanced yet affordable smartphone. Price and competition. Apple is reportedly planning to price the iPhone SE4 2025 at $499, positioning it as a direct competitor to the Google Pixel 9a, Samsung Galaxy A55, and OnePlus Nord 4. At this price point, it delivers flagship-level performance, a modern design, and future-proofed software support at nearly half the price of an iPhone 16. For those looking for an affordable iPhone without sacrificing power and performance, the iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be the best option in 2025. Final thoughts. Should you buy the iPhone SE4? The iPhone SE4 2025 is a game-changer for budget smartphone buyers. With a modern design, OLED display, A18 chip, 48MP camera, and USB-C charging, this phone brings flagship features to an affordable price range. While some might argue that the lack of multiple rear cameras or a promotion display holds it back, the iPhone SE4 delivers exceptional value for those who want a compact, powerful iPhone. If you're due for an upgrade and want a fast, stylish and long-lasting iPhone, this device is worth considering. What do you think of the iPhone SE4? Is Apple making the right moves with this device, or should they have added even more features? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. I'll be covering all the latest news and leaks as we get closer to Apple's official announcement. Stay tuned for more tech content here on Techno Trend Zone.